Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is osarumwense Sophia. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Today I'll be making a one-sided ruffle autogele. So for a start, I have this V-shaped autogele base. I have a video already on how to make this base. You can go check it out. And here are some plates I made on the other side. I made few plates there. So the other parts we shall be making the ruffles. These are ropes I made with three strands of ashoki, which will serve as ruffles for this tutorial. So please sit back and relax as we begin the tutorial. Now I'll take the ropes, the edge of the rope, and I'll put it at the middle of the base on top. The plate I already made at the middle of the base, I'll fold and place it there. Then I'll sew down with my needle and thread. It's almost the same thing as making a ruffle or autogele, but the only difference is just putting the ruffles at one side of the base. As you can see, I'll join down with my needle and thread. I'll make sure I join it firmly because this is the beginning. If this place is not properly seated or joined to the base, you might have problem later on in the course of the making. So you make sure this place is properly sewed down to the base and well relaxed on the base before you continue to the other parts. So now I'll continue the same thing, fold the rope again. I'll continue the same thing on the other parts. You can see, just fold and sew down. I'll fold and also sew down. So guys, as I make ruffles, you can see I'm slanting the ruffles to the handle of the base. It's not straight. I'm not making it straight. You can see as I make the ruffle, it's slanted to the handle of the base. You can see the way I'm doing it. I'm going to slant it down to the handle of the base and make sure you arrange it properly, as you can see. And guys, please make sure when you get to the hand you sew very firm, because this part is very crucial. When you try to tie the autogele at the back, the ruffles, if the ruffles is not properly sewed to the handle, it might raise up. The ruffle might raise. There might be an obvious seam there. You can see that the ruffle is not properly joined to the base. So this place is very important you sew. You can sew twice or more than. Make sure it is properly sewed to the handle. Now guys, after that I'll continue the process again. At the top of the first ruffle, the first line of ruffles I made, I'll continue making ruffles on top of each other. As you can see, I'll make the ruffles on top. I will just continue the process all around. After making this line, I'll go to the next line and the other line, and so on until the rope is exhausted. If you want yours to be very big, you make a very long rope for it. So guys, you can see how far I've gone. I'm almost through with making my ruffles because the ropes are almost exhausted. So I'm trying to cover up these ruffles at the top now. All I have to do is I'll sew down this rope, as you can see, like this. I'll cover it up. To cover up the ruffles, I just sew it down to cover up, to give it a fine, smooth, beautiful finishing. So guys, that's the simplest way, the easy way I make this beautiful Autogele ruffles, side ruffles, I beg your pardon. You can see I'm through. This is the finished look. I am done with making the Autogele. You can see how beautiful it is. It's so beautiful. Please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you're a new viewer, please, I have other videos on Autogele beads. You can go check that out. Bye for now.